Here at FluentWorlds, we make it really fun for you to learn English. We provide virtual worlds. Students can go anywhere virtually. They can go to the grocery store, other common places like the movie theater, or something like virtual Las Vegas and New York and learn English in context. Here's Francisca. Hi Francisca, how are you today?
I'm good, Laura. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Today we're going to learn about directions. So we're going to go to the street and you'll see the street come up. Do you see that?
I see.
Perfect, let's go there together. Remember, right, left are very important directions in English. When you look to your right, what do you see?
I see a bus station.
Yes, that's actually a bus stop.
Bus stop, that's
yes,
right.
Very good. Anytime I want to tell you something that I want you to read a word, it will show up in this chat box for you. That way I don't have to spell it all the time and you can read it, okay? Dr. Linda Bradford, founder of FluentWorlds, found in her PhD program that learning English in a 3D world brought superior results to learning them in a traditional classroom. I'm going to give you a couple of imperatives, and can you show me with your body what you can do when I tell you the imperative, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, sit.
Yes, sit.
Nice, very good. Now, stand up. Nice. Now, walk forward. Now, fly. That's awesome. Another cool feature that we have is Nearby Voice. Nearby Voice allows my students to walk away from me, and the farther they go, the less I hear them. Their voice trails off. When I have a large group of students, I can work one-on-one while another group is practicing and we don't have to be interrupted by our voices. We have students who are learning English rapidly because of our 3D platform. Instead of flashcards or a traditional classroom, we can actually experience and travel to these worlds. So what are you waiting for? Download FluentWorlds today and let's start learning English together.